Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tony, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use Super Clean to clean off some plastic lawn furniture. This is a product that I've been using for over 20 years. These guys reached out to me probably about a year ago to see if we could use the product, but they didn't know that I had already been using it. So we used to use this a lot in my dad's body shop. You might hear me mention in some of my videos, especially when we're fixing cars and stuff like that, things that I learned along the way with over 30 years of automotive experience. So I'm going to show you how to clean these chairs using this product. It's great stuff. I've used it forever. It's my go-to product when I'm trying to clean something that's really grimy or greasy, or I just want to get the mold off of. It's pretty versatile. On their website they have a chart, and they'll show you like how to cut the product in half and dilute a little bit if you want to use it on different things. So with that said, remember, give the video a thumbs up if you like it. If you have a question, leave a comment on the channel, and subscribe. You don't want to miss anything. All right, let's get rolling. All right, so as you can probably see, these chairs are pretty grimy. There's like dirt all over them. They've seen multiple campfires in the backyard, a few beer blasts, especially when Rob the plumber comes over. He's hanging out in these things at the end of the day in the summer with a couple cold ones, hanging out by the campfire. So let's put Super Clean on this, and we'll clean them up. See, these chairs are plastic, so I'm just going to kind of hit them with the product. I didn't pre-wash them. I'm not doing anything. I'm just going to put the product on here and let it do its thing for like a minute. And as I spray it, you can kind of see it already starting to work. The stuff it's awesome. You can't like beat this product. So, all right, here's like the weight chair. You can see all the grime already coming off of it. And watching we hit it with the hose and hose it all down. So that one, and then let's get to the yellow one as well. Right, so let's spray down the yellow one. You can kind of probably see on film, or hopefully you can see it, all the grime starting to lift off of this chair too. So the spray works good, covers quite a bit of area. The product lasts quite a while. Man, these things are really, really, really gritty. So I'm gonna let it do its thing for a minute. All right, so now the Super Clean's on here, and you can see the chairs, all the gunk and grime and everything's kind of lifting off. So I let them sit for about a minute. So let me get the hose, and I will hose them off. We're not going to scrub them. We're just going to use the water from the hose. All right, so let's get blasting here. See like all the grime coming off. That's just with the product and the hose. That's not with any elbow grease at all. It's pretty effortless. The product is biodegradable. Okay, so just product and water. You can see how much cleaner the chairs got. I'm probably going to hit this yellow one with a soft bristle brush. And here's the white one. The white one came out awesome. They both came out awesome. These chairs, they've got some age on them, so they've been sitting for a while. They've never really been cleaned, and they've kind of been just hanging out in the weather, getting neglected. Okay, so let's see what happens. We spray some super clean on, and I actually spend any kind of time doing this. Got a soft bristle brush here. You kind of go around a circle pattern. Clean it up. Maybe hit it again. This yellow chair is the worst out of the two. Has some drain pattern to it. Let's hose it off. It's starting to look a lot better already. So I'm going to spend a little more time and clean up this yellow one. The white one isn't bad at all. I just wanted to do like a quick, easy video and show you what product you could use to clean up your old lawn furniture that's been kicking around for a while outside your house. It works really well to clean stuff up. This yellow chair, it really cleaned it up pretty well. It's been out in the weather for years. It's really has oxidized, and it's really taken a beating, and it did get a lot of stuff out of it. The white chair is a little bit newer, and it really lifted all the dirt out of it. I didn't even have to scrub it. But yeah, if there's anything you like using the product for, leave a comment, tell our other viewers about it, and I might learn something new myself. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and tune in next time.